All right, we're back for example 4, which is a problem-solving application. This says Erica is trying to decide between 2 car rental plans. For how many miles will the plans cost the same? So what we have is for plan A, there's an initial fee. So just to rent the car, it's going to cost $100. And then the mileage fee is 35 cents per mile. And then plan B is a different car rental plan. It's just an initial $85 to rent the car, which is less, right? But for every mile, you get charged 50 cents. So the per mile is more expensive. So what we want to know is how many miles do you have to travel for both of these plans to cost the same? So first, what we have to do is we have to define our variable. So that's going to be the number of miles. So let's say let x equal number of miles. All right? Then we have to make a plan, make an equation for plan A. And we're just going to put it in slope-intercept form. So I'm going to say plan A is going to equal 35 cents per mile, so 0.35x, plus the initial amount, which is 100, okay? And then plan B is going to be that 50 cents per mile. I guess I can put a 0 in front of those. Plus 85. Now what we want to know is so this is the total cost for plan A and this is the total cost for plan B. We want to know when are these plans going to cost the same, which means when are they going to equal each other. So you just set them equal to each other. Like this. Okay, and then we just need to solve it. So we always need to make sure that we get the variables on the same side first. So I'm going to move the smaller, which would be this 0.35. That cancels. That would be what? Would it be 15? So yeah, I think it would be, wow, that'd be 5. That'd make it a 4. Yeah, 15.15. And then I just need to get the variable by itself, so I'm going to subtract the 85 to both sides. And then that ends up being 15. Okay. And so then I just need to get x by itself, so I'm going to divide both sides by 0.15. And so what I have is 15 divided by 0.15, and whenever you're dividing by a decimal, you always know that you can never divide by a decimal, so you have to change it to not being in decimal, and I can do that by moving this over 2 places, because instead of 0.15, now I'm dealing with 15, but if you move it over 2 places to the right here, you also have to move it over 2 places to the right there, which makes that 15 into 1500, so 15, okay, so that's what it is now. Does 15 go into 1? No. But does 15 go into 15? Yes. 1 time. 1 times 15 is there. And then you drop this 0. It doesn't go in there. You drop the other 0. It doesn't go in there. Boom, 100. So it's 100 equals x, or x equals 100 miles. So the plans will cost the same if we'll say Erica, if Erica travels 100 miles. Whenever you're dealing with a story problem, you always want to try to write your answer in a complete sentence. Perfect, perfect. All right, that's it for example 4. All right, we'll see you later. Bye.